Hi guys, so this is my personal FB account and I currently have 8,000 followers. So let me try if I can monetize this account. So to do that, all I have to do is click on the analytics right here. So from here, I simply have to scroll down and come to monetize. The other way you can access this is simply go to your home page. Okay, once you do, click on the menu, then go to professional dashboard, then you'll come to this page over here, then simply scroll down until you find the monetize. So if you click on it, okay, it's saying I can submit my interest for content monetization, and that is the one that I'm interested in. So yeah, so let's do that. So I'm going to click on the invitation only. Then he's saying this program is currently only available by invitation. Tap notify you and we'll let you know when you're eligible. Okay, so currently if you want to monetize your FB account, it's currently by invitation, like it's them that have to invite you. So basically it's all going to be on how your account is performing. Of course, there are other requirements like the number of followers you need to have, but I know I've got a few followers, but there's no harm in trying. This is by invitation. Sometimes FB makes an exception as long as like you're having good views and stuff, but even my views as well are really low, but let's give it a try. Who knows? So I'll click on submit interest. Then it's asking me what type of content creator are you. So who am I? Let's see. I don't know. Let me just comment off a digital creator. Yeah, then done. Then it's asking me what's your preferred format of content creation. I'm mainly doing reels, photos, and also I do photos. I don't really do a lot of text posts, so I'll just stick to those two. Then now it's asking me why am I interested in this program. So here, what do you write? Okay, so you can write in things that if you get invited to join this monetization program, okay, like to motivate you, like to even make more content, more awesome content, because you'll be able to get something out of it as compared to where you're just making content when you do not even get anything in return. So yeah, so just try to write in as much as you can. Also, it's saying share an account on another platform. So for example, I myself am mainly a YouTuber, and it's only on YouTube that where I actually make money from, and that is where I actually do have a lot of followers there. I've got two channels on YouTube, one with over 30,000 subscribers, the other one is over 20,000 subscribers. Yeah. So if I can link these, maybe they can actually help me get recognized. Yeah, so I'm going to link the YouTube. Then all I have to do is enter in the username, the number of followers. Okay, I think I'm only going to enter the one which I've got the most followers. So if you're most followers on Instagram, choose Instagram, write in the username and the number of followers. Okay, once you are done, submit the request. So I'm going to do this and I'll let you know, guys, when I get to have an update regarding this. Bye for now. This is Keith.